Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first, don't mind the crazy hair. I'm trying to not put as much heat in my hair because my hair is just not at a good place right now. So we're trying to heal it, get it back to being healthy. But my natural hair is super frizzy and bushy and just not cute. So I French braided my hair and slept on it and then took it out yesterday. And then I slept on it after I took it out. And now this is what we're left with. I don't know how I feel about it. I used to French braid my hair all the time and it used to look so nice and curly and pretty, but now it just looks weird. So we're just gonna look past my hair and focus on the makeup. So today I wanted to do something really colorful but also smoky. So this is the look that I came up with. It is a blue purple smoky eye and I love how it turned out and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And if you guys want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. Going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, I'm first picking up this light pink shadow. First, going in with my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease as my transition shade. It's also going to lighten and kind of brighten the purple shadow that I'm going to apply through my crease. Now going into this dark purple shadow. Now switching over to my Sigma E25 and I'm going to start applying this all through the crease, all the way into the inner corner. Just going back and forth. And then doing little circular motions to start blending the shadow out. I'm now picking up more shadow to darken the crease, but I'm also applying it and I'm laying the brush down between where my crease of my lid and crease meet, and I want the shadow to kind of fall onto this upper part of my lid because it's going to help blend the other shadow that I'm applying onto the lid out nicer, and it's going to make it more diffused and look blended out. And then once I have that roughly, just doesn't have to be neat, just kind of lay that shadow on your lid, and then I'm going to start blending that up and out again. Now going back in with the E38 diffuse crease brush, I didn't pick up any shadow on this brush, I'm just blending the edges of the crease to make sure they're really diffused out. And while I'm still on this palette, I'm just going to finish off my lash line, first picking up that light pink shadow that I applied through my crease first, using my Sigma E54 medium sweeper brush. And then going in with that dark purple and that same brush and just start smoking this out. Going into the Huda Beauty Gemstones Obsessions palette, I'm picking up this blue-purple duochrome shadow. Now I find that these shadows apply better with your fingers, so I'm just going to swipe on this blue shadow all across my lid. Now I'm just going to blend where my crease shadow and my lid shadow meet, and this shadow actually blends out into a purple shadow, so it's going to diffuse nicely into the crease. For my inner corner, I'm picking up this pinky blue duochrome shadow using my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and this shadow has a pink base but a blue reflect, so it's going to really tie in nicely to the entire look. To line my waterline, I'm going into this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Sabbath, and now I'm going to line my waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Lashalicious Lashes in Fleekalicious. And that's the eye look done. So I'm getting over a cold, so my eyes are still so watery. You know when you're sick and your eyes water the entire time, especially when you have a fever? I don't know if anyone else's eyes do that, but mine definitely do. Mine get super teary when I'm sick. So my eyes are still watering and my eyelashes are about to pop off. Like this one is just hanging on by the edges now and I can't even fix it, so we're just gonna have to leave it. If it falls off, don't pay attention. So moving on to my lips, I'm gonna go into this Buxom Baba Plump lipstick and Taupe It Off. This is one of my favorite shades. I love this. It's such a pretty cool toned lipstick and it's amazing. I love the way they feel, so I'm gonna apply this. And that is it. This is the completed look of my colorful blue-purple smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how this look turned out. This this blue duochrome shadow on my lid was perfect for this look because it has a purple base and then has that blue kind of shimmery shift to it, and it's duochrome. When you blend it out, it blends out into this beautiful purple. It worked so well with this entire look. That's why I created this look, because I swatched the shadow and I loved it and I envisioned this look and I created it and I love it. I hope you guys like it too. And if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used along with my brush set. Don't forget my brush set with Sigma is still available. All of that will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier, and I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!